So I need to win this game. If I don't win this game, I'm not going to win the tournament. Play d5. I was going to play a normal opening. How do I play for the win here exactly? I guess I'll go g6. I was expecting to play like a London or Torre, not this. Okay, let's play a Grunfeld. I don't play the Grunfeld all that frequently. In fact, this is a line that I lost again trying to go for my IM title. Or going for an IM Norm many, many years ago. Let's play the old line. Let's play e6. Yeah, I played this in Hungary like 500 years ago. Goes h4. I forget if c6 is a move here, but I'm going to play it anyway. I think the old line is something like h6, 95, bishop g5, queen e5, and I feel like I studied this like literally 15, not 15, more like, I was like 14 at the time, so probably about 21 years ago was the last time I studied any of these lines. Plays g4, which I kind of thought was playable. Let's go h6. Just develop the bishop and the knight, play simple chess here. I can always go bishop g7 too. Let's go here, just develop. If g5, I just drop back, of course. Or trade even. Maybe I've got queen b8 also. Okay, castles. I think I'm going to play queen b8 to try and trade the queens. Actually, it's a very good move, because if he doesn't trade, he's going to lose the juicer on g4. So he's going to have to trade the queens, and now we're in an endgame, which... It's good, but it's not like the dream, as I just realized. He's got g5, which is a slight problem. Although maybe... Why am I complaining? I've got the two b's here, and he's got a weak pawn structure. I shouldn't be complaining. I should be completely fine here, in fact. Very important that I don't trade first, because now if he goes bishop h3, takes, he loses the pawn. If I trade first, there would have been a bishop h3, so now I get to preserve my two b shops and just play chess. I can go king g7. I think it's a good move. I know I'm better here. It's just a question of am I much better or just a little bit better? Because these pawns are weak. I've got the two b's. Let's see what Renato does here. It goes there. That's definitely a move. I do have bishop g4 here. I can also fix the juicers, but I think takes bishop f5 looks slightly wrong. So how do I try to... Maybe just rook h7, then knight e2 is his idea. Okay, so that's what he wants. So I've established what his plan is. Next thing is, how do I go after his pawn on g5? How do I attack it? I don't like bishop g4, but I'm going to play it anyway. Now I'm going to go back. Now he'll go to f3 again. But now my bishop on f5 is much better placed than on e6. I have more... Oh, he goes there. Actually, I missed that. Yikes. Oh, great. I just missed f4 altogether. Oh, shoot. I just threw this. I'll go here, try to take the knight, maybe. I mean, maybe throw is too strong of a word here, honestly, but I think I've misplayed this a little. Although maybe not, because I do have rook e8. Maybe it's not as... Maybe I'm overestimating his position after f4. Goes there, okay. I take, I go here. Like, if I can trade this knight off, I mean, I think I have great chances to win the game. Because then I'm going to get a good knight versus a bad bishop. Maybe it's still a draw, but I think I'm going to get chances to win. I think c5 was better, though. Maybe. I'm way up on clock, though. b5 is also interesting to play for b4. He plays rook h3, which I don't like, actually. I feel like that's not the way to play the position, but how do I try to punish him? But I also don't really want to trade on f3 either. But actually, no, I can trade because I can take g5 now. Now I take, he can't take back with the h-pawn. I mean, it's still probably within the range where it should be a draw. Rook g5, kind of surprising to me. Go here and hit the pawn. Now, knight b6 is a move. How do I do this, actually? There's no good way to win this position, probably. Put the knight on b6 and play rook h6, maybe? It's always got f5 tricks, though. We'll go here. Okay, now I can play knight b6. I can also play, like, rook h6, maybe. Wait, maybe knight I think I'm just gonna go here. Oh, that's a mistake. Maybe a mistake, maybe not. Let's go here. Basically, what I'm trying to do is activate all my pieces somehow. e4 is probably a very good move that, of course, I should never have allowed. Go here. Rook h4 is an idea. It goes king e3. I'm going to try to trade one set of rooks, I think. Let's go here and rook c1, maybe. He's kind of misplaying this a little bit, I feel like. Wait, do I have some way to punish him? Still no way to punish him. Let's go here. Here, maybe rook a2. I don't want to play b5. Wait, now I'm getting a chance to win. I think I'm going to win now, maybe. Let's go here. Check! There we go. We get the win. Big win. There we go. Big dub. We got the win. We moved to 8 out of 9. I think